The Triangle of the Bermudas is located on the coast of Florida, Puerto Rico, and the Atlantic Ocean. It is one of the more overall places on the earth. This is being caused by the terrifying things that have been happening inside of it. Not much people have developed to study this place, to give an zero explanation to the history, because there are more mysteries than explanations. And this is the case of the Triangle of the Bermudas. There have been many disappearances of the planes, ships, and an uncounted number of people. The mysterious that case this myth has been so horrific is now that disappearance is had how they disappeared.
Scientific explanation of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is well known because in that region have strange disappearances happened, many of which have never been able to explain scientifically. Two Australian scientists announced that they had found the explanation of this phenomenon. In a study published in the journal Physics America, they explained that the spacecraft disappeared in the area because it is a place of condensation of gases composed of methane hydrates that form bubbles, which prevents the ship are maintained on the water. According to the site Slime News, the fissure is due to the fact that the methane may be ejected and transformed into bubbles of gas explodes upward. The scientific notice that any boat that comes in contact with these bubbles loses the ability to float and sink in the ocean. If the bubble is sufficiently large and poses a high enough density, it can reach the airspace, trapping the aircraft that pass through the sector. It will be possible to create a giant bubble of methane gas from the bottom of the ocean that, when it breaks due because pressure of water, becomes a million bubbles minors before reaching the surface. When the bubbles emerge, provokes turbulence and makes the boat twist to sink. This is one of the most reasonable explanations for the contribute beyond science, but it will be the final explanation.
5 bombers American-type torpedo left Fort Lauderdale on December 5 in 1945 in a flight training routine and with good weather conditions. None returned, including said plane that was sent to search for them disappeared, all under conditions which could never be clarified.
Coming up, the dive team finds out if it has really solved the greatest Bermuda Triangle mystery of all time.
The engine appears to have come off the aircraft and fallen onto its nose, so the propeller is laying flat on the floor.